How to watch anime on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the home icon at the bottom left corner to access the main feed. Next, scroll through the home page to find the anime section. Here, you can browse trending titles, featured anime, or recommended series based on your preferences. If you are looking for a specific anime, tap on the search bar at the top and type the name of the series. You can also filter the results by newest, most viewed, or comprehensive to find exactly what you want. When you find the anime you want to watch, tap on it to start playing the video. You can also add anime to your watch list or follow the series to receive notifications whenever new episodes are released. Explore different categories, recommendations, and trending anime to discover new shows and stay updated. Now you know how to watch anime on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.